alone. And dropping it down. Come on. Get your hands together. Harry Lunt and Stumpy the Clown. Okay, here come those lucky winners, folks. Those lucky winners just getting the ride of a lifetime on our monster truck, the Slaine. Now, once we pull this out of the arena, what we are going to get is not one, not two, not three, but four James Bond stars, two-wheel drivers at one time. You will not see this anywhere else. You see it here, you see it in live. Scorpions, DareDevil Sunstone now. Two guys need to use the ramp, two guys do not. We're going to have Scott in the escort, Harry Love in the buggy.